Hey British Columbia, Sheldon, Truck Hunter BC, 12100 Featherstone Way, here with the 2019 Chevy Bolt LT. It's got the driver confidence 1 and 2 package on it, so all the driver safety features available on this car. Rear cross traffic alert, side blind zone monitoring, rear park assist, collision alert, lane assist, low speed automatic braking, side blind zone alert, got it all. Passive keyless entry, push button start, 383 kilometers in range. The great news is there's a $5,000 clean energy rebate. Here's your screen, nice and big, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 4G Wi-Fi, and a $6,000 coupon could be yours if you got an older car that's been insured in your name for 6 months. Call me British Columbia, 604-362-2922.